bonus video. I just had to draw this. I'm so excited for the new Spider-Verse movie, Spider-Man Across the Spider-Verse. And I have found out today, hopefully you found out too, that the villain in this new movie will be the Spot. So in case you don't know, and I did not know, and I have been researching, the Spot is this villain who has these interdimensional portals all over his body. Like, it looks like ink, but they're actually interdimensional portals which you can go through. So he'll be throwing them at Spider-Man to make either things go through them and end up in other places, or people go through them and end up in other places. It is a mad turn of events, and I just cannot wait to see how it turns out in the movie. Now, clearly the news of the villain in the film has only come out today. It is currently June 2022 if you're watching this in the future, like a cyborg. And it is just hotting up the excitement with this film. Little bits of information just keep coming out and making me personally, I know a lot of you, more and more excited. Now, I think it's very appropriate to be excited when the film doesn't come out for a year. Is that right? Yeah. Figure out how Miles Morales could possibly defeat this villain. I don't care how many spider people there are. This guy can travel interdimensionally. He can make other people travel interdimensionally. I just think he was going to be unstoppable. I mean, yes, he looks like a man Dalmatian, but I think he's incredibly powerful. You can see from the composition I put together here, all of these are various different sort of universe entrances here that he's flying about the place. And in the still that they released from the movie, there is Miles Morales accidentally kicking Spider-Gwen in the face. If you haven't looked at that yet, you should, because it's a really good still. It makes it very, very exciting. And then this super powerful Cruella de Vil is chucking portals around all over the place. I think that's all I'm going to do with this one. It has been a bit of a quick one to do, just because I found out today and I had to do something because I was excited. So I chucked all this together. But I'm pretty pleased with how it's come together, actually. I hope you liked it too. I'll see you next time. Cheers.